friends. In this video, we will see how to use Jupyter Notebook Online for Python programming. Now, Project Jupyter is a non-profit open source project which is born out of the IPython project in 2014. The purpose is to support interactive data science and scientific computing across all programming languages. You can try Jupyter Notebook Online without installing any additional software in your computer. Now, why is Jupyter Notebook used? Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create documents that contain live code, visualizations, and explanatory text. Some of the uses include data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, machine learning, and much more. So let's try some Python programming using Jupyter Notebook Online. Search Jupyter Notebook, locate jupyter.org, start jupyter.org website, and we have two options available here. One is try it in your browser and second one is install in your computer. So let's try in our browser. So we will get some options here, and you can see we don't have to install anything to start Python Jupyter Notebook Online. So let's try this classic notebook. Now when we start this, we will get a Python programming environment created on mybinder.org site. So we will get our environment ready in few seconds. And we have here some information available related to Jupyter Online. Our Python programming environment will be ready soon. This is the place where we can execute our Python programs. Now our environment is ready. So this is a welcome page. Welcome to Jupyter Notebook Online, and this is some basic information related to this which you can read later on. Now let's execute our first Python program. For that, go to this plus sign and insert a new cell. A new cell will be inserted here where you can write a Python statements. Let's write hello students. Now to execute this statement, go to this run option. So click on run and we will get our output here. Now just to make this little bit clear, let's delete some additional cells from this. So select this cell and go to the scissor symbol. Select this cell, go to the scissor symbol. Now we have a clear notebook for us. Now we can modify this statement according to our requirements. So let's change this. Welcome to Jupyter Notebook Online. And see, this is how we will get our output. Let's write some simple Python programs here. We will declare two variables here, n1 equal to 5 and n2 equal to 6. We will save our answer into answer variable n1 plus n2, and we will print it answer. When we execute this, we will get our answer here as 11. Very interesting thing about Jupyter Notebook Online is whatever command we execute here, for example str equal to hello, and we print str multiply by 3. Let's execute this first, and obviously this will print hello 3 times. Now whatever commands which we are executing here on this shell, we can download this also. So for that, go to this file menu and see here we have option called download as HTML. So I'm downloading this as HTML. When I open this, see, I will get all the shells which we are executing on this Jupyter Notebook Online, which are saved as HTML in our local system. So at later stage we can refer this documentation for practice purpose also. So this is really very interesting. You can also download in various format. You can download in different formats like including PDF also and including notebook file also. Even you can download as a .py file, Python file.